alignment looks good now. Perfect, the consistency is exactly where we need it.
Here we see the mechanical heart of the operation. The fruit is quickly crushed into a vibrant puree before being moved to the sealed holding tanks.
The temperature in tank 3 is holding steady at 20 Celsius.
Pressure levels look good across the board. The mixer rotation is consistent.
The sugar ratio is stable at 15%. Good, the viscosity seems correct. Let's maintain the speed.
Batch 7 consistency is optimal, 40 degrees Celsius.
Excellent. Let's prep the transfer line.
Check the pressure on gauge 3. It's spiking again.
I see it. Adjusting the flow regulator now.
The cream layer on mold 32 seems slightly thin.
Yes, I noticed that. Adjusting the flow rate now.
This batch looks good, but check the garnish on that one.
Ah, yes, that's a reject.
Bring it back another foot. All right, set it down easy.
And here are the 30 cases of the papaya dessert.
All right, I've confirmed it on the tablet. Looks good.
Hello there. That comes to $6.99.
Okay, thank you. I have my card ready.